The origin of the port of Calcutta dates back to the 17th century. Calcutta port is situated on the left bank of the river Hooghly, about 129 kilometers above the entrance to the river from the estuary of Sagar Islands in the Bay of Bengal. The Calcutta port commands a vast hinterland comprising of a large number of states in eastern and northeastern India and its neighboring countries like Bhutan and Nepal. The port handles a substantial part of the nation's total export and import, amounting to 14.223 million tons. Berthing facilities in Calcutta dock system consist of two impounded docks known as Netaji Subhash Dock and Khidirpur Dock 1 and 2. This is a panoramic view of Netaji Subhash Dock. A 30,000-tonner vessel, MV Indian Endurance, entering the Netaji Subhash Dock through the lock gate. As the ship enters, the lock is operated. A shore-based crane, capacity 3 tons, in operation. Heavy lift yard at number 1 Netaji Subhash Dock provided with a 200-ton cantilever crane, which is the biggest shore-based crane in India. Netaji Subhash Dock has a total of 9 berths, 5 import berths, 1 berth for liquid bulk cargo, 1 heavy lift berth and 2 exclusive berths for containers. In addition, it has 5 buoy berths available for tying up ships. Aluminium ingots being stuffed in the containers with the help of forklifts. Containerization is the latest technology being used for shipping and cargo handling throughout the world. Its irresistible advantages being fast and mechanized handling of cargoes, safety from pilferage, and economy in costs. The port of Calcutta is emerging as an important container handling terminal in the country. The transit shed at D. Netaji Subhash Dock is used as a container freight station. Berth number D and 5 at Netaji Subhash Dock are used for berthing container vessels which are given priority in berthing. Cranes and forklifts are used for handling and stuffing and de-stuffing of containers respectively. A panoramic view of container freight berth at Netaji Subhash Dock. Unloading of bulgur wheat at number 2 berth from vessel MV Louis Likes, gift cargo from USA for Nepal, going through the Calcutta port. De-stuffing of plastic granule bags in palletized form with the help of forklift. A panoramic view of Khidrpur Dock 1 and 2. It is 18 general cargo berths, 1 mechanical food grain unloading berth, 6 layup berths. Unloading of rails for Indian Railways. Unloading of rock phosphate at berth number 8, one of the general cargo berths. Loading and unloading of general cargo at different general cargo berths at Khidrpur Dock. The progressive loss of depth, especially in the upper reaches of the river Hooghly, and the sharp bends in the stretches which limit the draft, and the length of vessels that can trade with the port of Calcutta, drove the port authorities several times in the past to search for a deep water stretch nearer the sea for developing additional port facilities. Thus, the Haldia Dock complex was conceived. Dominating the landscape like a lighthouse, the main administrative building, the Jawahar Tower, presides over the modern dock complex. The other unit of Calcutta Port Trust, that is Haldia Dock Complex, offers a wide range of most modern and sophisticated equipment for handling of a wide range of cargo like containers, petroleum and petroleum products, bulk cargo, bulk phosphate and other items. The finger jetty handles general cargo like acids, molasses, edible oils, etc. It has a berthing face of 770 foot on either side. A spectacular feature of the Haldia Dock complex is a 985 feet long lock gate with a width of 130 feet capable of taking modern ships. A 40,000 tonner MV Patliputra carrying cooking coal from Australia for Steel Authority of India approaching the lock gate. Entering the dock through its long lock gate. The dock is linked by a broad gauge railway connection with the rest of the country. Further modernization of the railway system is in progress. Haldia Dock Complex is proud of its riverine oil jetty. The jetty can handle through pumping in pipelines, crude oil, petroleum products and liquid ammonia. The oil jetty is designed to accommodate super tankers up to 780 feet long and more than 33 feet in depth. The oil is pumped out through flexible hoses which is connected to the ship. The jetty pipelines feed the Indian oil refineries at Haldia and at Barauni in Uttar Pradesh. Unloading of sulfur from MV Damodar Ganga at General Cargo Berth number 9. She has brought cargo from Kuwait. A cross-section view of phosphate berth. Grabbing rock phosphate from the hatch of the vessel, pouring it on the vibro-feeder hopper. Discharge from vibro-feeder tray to cross-conveyor belt. With the help of conveyor, cargo is transferred to different storage areas, bagging and stitching plants. It has an unloading capacity of 1300 tons per hour. For loading coal into coastal collieries, Haldia Dock has two coal berths which can operate at a rate of 3,000 tons and 2,000 tons per hour. Wagon is pulled and placed on the cradle. Operation is controlled from the operator's cabin. The coal berth has two 1500 tons per hour wagon tipplers which tipple the entire wagon within minutes. onto the stockpile conveyor. Stacker and reclaimer working on stockpile conveyor either stacks coal on ground or reclaims it for onward transmission to the overhead conveyor. The overhead conveyor is linked to two shuttle boom type ship loaders which are lowered into the hold of the ship carrying coal. Haldia Docks Container Terminal is a modern complex which can handle all types of containers and dry bulk cargo. The installation includes modern transtainer cranes and portainer gantry cranes of 30 tons capacity each. Transtainer crane in operation, loading containers on top of trailer. Container crane in operation for loading of containers in MV Vishwa Parag, berth number 9, ship carrying containers for New York. jetty under construction, which is one of the expansion programs of the Haldia Dock complex. The port's efforts are always directed towards the better service to the consumer through regular maintenance of its installations and constant updating of the technology of ships, servicing and cargo handling. The Calcutta Port Trust is ever dedicated to fulfill its commitments to the nation.